This is Patiramya, Assistant Professor, AIDS Department, SNS Institution. You are here with me in NLP lecture series. In the previous video, we were discussing about what is POS tagging and how it has been done. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about how POS tagging has been used in real-time application and what is the crucial role it has been playing with NLP. Okay, so already I told what is POS tagging. Let me give you the quick review about the POS tagging. POS tagging is nothing but we divide the whole sentence into small chunk, that is called tokenization. Once you divide the words, once you divide the sentence into single words, you have to categorize these words grammatically. You have to put these words in some tag, okay, whether it is a noun or verb or adjective or adverb. Grammatically you have to categorize these words. So why we need these categorizing? So if you want to understand the sentence completely, you want to understand the structure of the sentence. So if you want to understand the structure of the sentence, you need to know what is the role of each word in the sentence. That is why we are doing POS tagging. Okay, let us see one by one why POS tagging is very important when it comes for NLP. First important thing was we have to understand the sentence very clearly. What makes the understanding the sentence complex? Very simple. If you take a word, the word can have the two meanings. Same word can have a two meaning. As earlier we were discussing about the word bat. Bat can have the two meaning. One, it is a cricket or baseball bat, any bat, okay. Second meaning was an animal bat. If you take another, let me give you the another example also. If I tell the word can, what else coming into the mind? Can be the, mostly we will think can be the verb. I can do. It can act as a verb. If it acts as a verb, the meaning of the can is totally different. The word can also act as a noun. Yes, it is a naming noun also. So, system does not able to understand whether the word can is acting as a noun or a verb. Depend on whether it acts as a noun or a verb, the meaning of the word differs. When the meaning of the word differs, the understanding of the sentence is also totally different. This is why we need a POS tagging. To understand the sentence very clearly, we need a POS tagging. To understand the meaning of the sentence very clearly, we need POS tagging. Okay, so I can give you another example also. You can see in the PPT that can you book a ticket? Okay, if you see the first sentence, book is a verb. I read a book. Here second sentence, the book will be a noun. So same word have a different meaning when it act as a verb and when it acts as a noun. So when you categorize these words into some grammatical tags, you can avoid these confusions. This is very important because when you come for NLP, understanding a sentence is a first and foremost thing. So you have to categorize the word into some tags so that you can able to understand the sentence in a better way. This is the first important thing why we need the POS tagging. Okay, let's move on to the next one. To understand the grammatical role is important, very important. So if you take a sentence, you need to know what is the role of each word in that sentence and what is the importance of that sentence. Let's move to the next one. What will be the next need of POS tagging? To understand the grammatical role is very important when it comes for NLP. For example, if you take a team, we have to know what all the roles of each member in the team. That is very important so that you can maintain the workflow and you can able to allot the task for each member depend on their role and designation in that team. Similarly, when you try to understand the sentence, you must know which word plays an important role and which sentence, which word has a what role. So this is very important to understand the grammatical role of the word in that sentences. So this is the second purpose of P-voice tag. Let me explain you this with the real-time application, that is a grammar checker. Okay, grammar check. Okay, so we will take the sentence and we will put the sentence into the grammar check. For example, I am giving he go to school. I want to check whether the sentence is grammatically correct or not. What it will do, it will take each word and it will categorize each word into some particular grammatical tags. For example, as I told you, he go to school. You can see the example in the presentation. He go to school. He is a singular subject. Okay, it's a third person and it is a singular subject here. And next word will be the go. Go is a plural verb. It's not singular. First word is a he. It's a singular subject. But second word go is a plural verb. So that we cannot, when we use a go, we have to use a they, we. So all these we have to use plural subjects. Yes, right. So we have the singular subject, but we have the plural verb here. So it is not grammatically correct. By this way, the grammar checker will identify whether the given sentence is grammatically right or not. So from this we know he go to school is not grammatically right. So what else will come there? He goes to school. What else will come? He goes to school, because he is a subject which is singular subject. So you have to put the singular verb, that will be he goes to school. Goes will be the verb, that is singular third person verb. Okay, so when you write the sentence he goes to school, the grammar checker will say it is grammatically correct. By this way, P-voice tag has been used in the grammar checker. Okay.